Hi, this is Mrs. Moret, and we're just going to finish up what we started in class today. So this is 5.2 in your book on page 166. The story about Claire. She's getting snacks from the bulk section at the grocery store, and we know that she's buying some salted almonds at $6 a pound and some dried figs at $9 a pound, and she spent $75 before tax. So if she bought 2 pounds of almonds, how many pounds of figs did she buy? So we talked about this already. 2 pounds of almonds is going to cost her $12. 2 pounds at $6 a pound is $12. So if she spent $75 altogether and $12 from the almonds, she has $63 left to spend on figs. And so from that $63, if figs are $9 a pound, right? $9 a pound, we're going to divide that and you get 7. So she's able to buy 7 pounds of figs if she bought 2 pounds of almonds. Number 2, if she bought 1 pound of figs, how many pounds of almonds did she buy? So 1 pound of figs is $9. So we'll start with the $75 she spent altogether minus $9 for 1 pound of figs. And that is, let's see here, $66. So she has $66 left to spend on almonds, and almonds are $6 a pound. So 66 divided by 6 is 11. And so that means she can buy 11 pounds of almonds if she bought 1 pound of figs and still spend the $75. All right, so number 3 then, an equation that describes the relationship between pounds of figs and pounds of almonds that Claire bought and the dollar amount she paid. So we can use F to represent the pounds of figs, and we can use A to represent the pounds of almonds. And so if we know that almonds are $6 a pound, 6 for each pound of almonds, and figs are $9 a pound, and the total spent is $75. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and 3 in your textbook on page 166, and we're going to get to number 4 here on the next slide. Looks like this. Number 4 says, here's a graph that represents the quantities in the situation. A, choose any point on the line, state its coordinates, and explain what it tells us. B, choose any point that is not on the line, state its coordinates, and explain what it tells us. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about each of these. So when you look at a graph, I know that you learned this in middle school, but you always should look at how is the graph labeled. So the horizontal axis for this graph is the almonds, and the vertical axis for the graph is the figs. And so if a point like A is right here, the coordinates of A are 2, 7. So this coordinate always comes first, and then this one always comes second. So when you see an ordered pair, this is the first number, something along the bottom axis, and this is the second number, the value up the side. So 2, 7 means 2 pounds of almonds and 7 pounds of figs. Point C is at, it looks like 6.5, comma 4. So 6.5, comma 4, that's the coordinate. And what it means is 6.5 pounds of almonds and 4 pounds of figs. Point B right here is at 11, 1. So the coordinates for B are 11, 1. And that means 11 pounds of almonds and 1 pound of figs. So point A, B, and C are all on the line. So you can purchase each of these combinations of almonds and figs for $75. However, point D is not on the line, and point E is also not on the line. So the coordinates for D are 1, 1, which means 1 pound of almonds and 1 pound of figs. And for E, so this is D, and then for E, it's 14, 0, which means 14 pounds of almonds and 0 pounds of figs. And so both of those are not on the line, meaning they're going to cost something different than $75. So all of the points on the line will actually cost $75. That one, that one, that one, all of those. And then the points not on the line, both of those are not going to cost, so not equal to 75. All right, I'm going to post a second video for 5.3, also in your textbook. But get through this one first, and I'll get the other one there shortly.